Okay, welcome to the Robinson Curriculum Orientation video series. Today we're going to look at where to get started for older children. And of course, the parent will want to read through these 12 documents in the course of study. It tells you as the parent how you set up and run a self-teaching homeschool using this curriculum. For older children, we want to place them in the read order. That's one of the main things we want to do. And to do that, we're going to look at how many grades the child has completed and multiply by 12. And that'll be roughly where we want to start them. And that is just a very rough guide. We can jump ahead or go back depending on if it's too difficult or too easy. Too difficult, we can go back a little bit. If it's too easy, we can go forward down this list. These books from 1 to 150 increase in difficulty as you go down the list. They increase in difficulty and in length and in the number of vocabulary words that are associated with them. Another way to place a child is to look at what they're reading now and compare it to the books that are in the curriculum and pick something of equivalent difficulty or challenge. Regardless of their age, any new child coming into the curriculum, we want to start them at the beginning in the flashcards, in the vocabulary, so that they don't miss any of those good words. As far as writing goes, we would want them to write original compositions if they're older and capable of that. And if they're having any special difficulties with their writing, they can look here at the grammar or the spelling. However, we want them to learn most of their spelling and their grammar organically through their reading. We're going to be reading a selection of the best authors in the English language here. And we also want them to learn good grammar, spelling, punctuation, sentence structure, capitalization through the writing, and having a parent or an adult mark through what they've written each day and mark it for any errors, and they'd go back and correct them. Another resource we have for older students and where they should start is in the Robinson Curriculum website. So here's the home page. If we go over here, I scroll down, we have a couple of things to help them. We have Anne's Corner about essays, and here you'll see that we've got some articles on how you would write an essay, what is an essay, and then further down, writing composition by R.J. Rushdoony. And so both of those are important articles when it comes to writing. Another resource that we have is here, Where to Start Older Children. And the article on this page gives you some methodologies on how to place them in reading, in math, and in writing. And here for the math, we have available the Saxon Math Placements exams. So here you can go to the middle grades exam, the upper grades, Algebra 1 and Algebra 2. In the middle grades exam, they all come with an instruction sheet, the exam itself, and an answer key. And depending on how many they get wrong in each section, it'll tell you just which math book is the appropriate one for them. And once you figure out which book you need, you can go to the Saxon Math order form. You can print this order form out, send it in with a check or a money order. The math books are $69 each, plus $5 or $10 shipping. Another place to access the placement exam is through this link at the bottom of the order form. So for older children, just like for younger children, we're going to start their day with the most difficult subject, which is the math. We're going to progress to the easier subjects. So after math, we'll do writing, then vocabulary, then reading. And the next day, they'll just pick up where they left off the day before. We're going to start where it's appropriate in the reading. And we're going to start on their math where the placement exam indicates. And we're going to start at the beginning in the vocabulary, regardless of their age, so they don't miss any of those good words. So that is the Robinson Curriculum Orientation for how to start older children. Thank you.